Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be curling my hair. I have a memorial service to get to today. I've had my curling iron on for quite a while now. I turned it on before I got a shower, and then I got a shower and then did my makeup. I have about 10 minutes before I have to run out the door. So I'm just going to be putting some curls in my hair. This is a really large barrel curling iron. I already have natural wave in my hair, but it's raining. It's fixing to storm really bad outside right now. And so I just figured I would amp up what curl was already in my hair. And my hair is clean. I just washed it yesterday. Oh crap. Let go too soon. This is just something simple if you want something quick and easy that is so pretty. I don't need the volume in my hair at all. I don't. I guess I could turn up the ring light. Not down, up. That way maybe you can see my hair a little better because I know my hair is dark. And I'm rolling everything towards my face. That way the curl will go away from my face when it falls. And I'm trying to keep all of my curls on base, and what I mean by on base is when I pull the hair out, I try and keep it a little bit over directed, so I pull out and then roll back so that the curling iron is basically a little bit past where I pulled the section from, and I'll show you with a top section here in just a minute when I switch sides. Okay, when I'm talking about over direction, see how I'm holding my hair forward? I'm going to be curling this towards my face. I grab it with it forward and then I pull it back and then start to curl. Crap, I let go too far. Oh, I still have the tail. Because I don't have a mirror on this side, I'm just going to go ahead and bang this side out. I have a little mirror below the camera that I can kind of peek at. And I'm not grabbing like particularly small sections, I'm just grabbing chunks of hair and rolling it forward. Crap. My hair is too soft. I put conditioner on it yesterday. can't see the back of your head, I usually put my hair in until I can feel where it's at. And then I slowly like work on this part in order to like move some of the hair through the curling iron, just because I can't see back there. And I'll just grab up like hunks of it and just curl, even though I can't see it. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. And my camera battery is dying. Just give me a minute, camera, I'm almost done. And yes, I can see through my hair. If you're wondering, oh my God, she can't see. Yes, I can. I can see the camera through my hair. I've been looking through this stuff long enough that I have been able to figure out how to look around it. Okay, now because my hair is in my face, and I don't like that, I'm gonna just take a few sections and bobby pin it out of my way. this side doesn't want to cooperate with me. Just doubling up on the bobby pins just so that I know they are secure. If there's any part you don't like, you can always like recurl it or whatever. I can tell by the way my hair feels what's curled and what isn't. So it really is up to you and your hair texture as to how you curl your hair. I know that with my hair, I can grab it any which way and just curl it, and it'll look fine just because of the texture of my hair. But if your hair shows like every line or wrinkle or miscurled spot, then you might want to like be very careful with how you curl your hair. But this is just something that I do when I want my hair to look better than naturally wavy. And like I said, it's raining outside. I am in Florida, so it's going to be kind of with my hair, so I'm not going to hairspray it or anything, so whatever my hair looks like after I get done and whatever the weather does to it will be what it looks like. I'm not looking for perfection here. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment down below if you want me to do like more hairstyle videos. I know I have a lot of stuff going on right now with my life that I'm trying to like pre-record a bunch of videos so that I have videos for this channel for every other day, and that way you guys still get content, and then my main channel still gets videos as well because I upload there daily. So if you haven't already subscribed to either of my two channels, my main channel is always linked in the comment section, or I mean the description box is always in the description box, so you can always subscribe to me there. I do post on there daily, and then everything on this channel goes up usually every 2 to 3 days. And I just completely missed that section of hair. But yeah, if you like this quick hair curling tutorial video on almost shoulder length hair that's, you know, naturally wavy, very thick, very coarse, then give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in another video later. Bye.